Good morning. We are now in Naples, close to our B&B, and we are going to have our breakfast. It's quite late today, but yesterday was a long day. We are now in the Galleria Umberto. Very famous. There is a similar one in Milan, and around the center there are all the zodiac signs, and it's very cool. It's huge. This is Sfogliatella. Here we are to the museum. There's quite a long queue. I don't know how quick it is, but fortunately there are this kind of gazebo here, so we have a bit of shade. It shouldn't take so long. We finished our visit. Now we are going out and continue our tour of the city. We are going to Spaccanapoli. Naples is very famous for the presepe, which is the nativity scene. And if you come to Spaccanapoli, there are a lot of small shops that they sell the small statue for the nativity scene, and you have everything and anything. Good morning, Naples. Today we are going to Ischia, to the baths, Terme. We saw the picture, they are beautiful. So today is a relaxed time. We're gonna just lay down in a swimming pool. There are of course different kinds, hot, cold, and yesterday we walked a lot, more than 17 kilometers. So today definitely we need some relax. We are now waiting for the bus. As you can see, there is no shade at all, so we are under the sun. And Ania, how do you feel?
I'm feeling alright. I had nice breakfast with cornetto and coffee, and orange juice. It's fine. I mean, it's a bit hot and we wait for the bus, and we don't know how long we're going to wait for. We could have walked, but it's 45 minutes, so I think we're just gonna wait in this little shadow that we found instead of walking in this
shadow. Yeah, I mean this like small thing is our
falling apart.
Yeah. So yeah, I mean walking 45 minutes with this weather is just like walking in a desert, pretty much. There are some clothes there over there, so maybe in 5-10 minutes we're gonna have some shade, but otherwise just need to keep waiting, and hopefully it's gonna arrive soon. Finally? Oh my gosh, it's packed. We are in. Whoa! Oh God. I'm basically lying on the door. We are down and we are going the Negombo. Very hot, the water. I think it's 38. And this one is super cold. Ania, how do you feel? Good? So we need to do it 3 times. Now it's even more hot.
Hard.
And this is the last part. Whew. I think the name is Japanese something, and yeah, it seems to be good for your legs. Now we are going up because the yeah, you should actually start from the top, but we started from the bottom, so now we are going up. us to the hot one, and this one is super cold. I'm gonna try to. But it's super cold.
Short days, long nights, we be gone to the morn. Yeah, they love it, all eyes on me when I put it on. Hallways, porch lights, gotta keep the evil off. Oh me, oh my, I just be like, poopy gone. 10% of Biff, we didn't need a glow, cause we always been the cool guys. Beach tent, cooler with the drinks and the blue skies. Ravens, bucket low like F it though, it's all mine, it's all mine. Yeah, that thing is all mine. Lil' Betty, and she nasty, yeah, that girl is all mine.
We are in this pool. The water is 38 degrees.
It's very difficult in the beginning.
Yeah, the beginning is very difficult. Then
Once you get
after, yeah,
it's nice.
getting better. And that water there, it's even more hot than this one here in the pool. We are now going back to the ferry. We had a couple of spritz in the meantime because we came here quite early, and we're gonna take the ferry, go back to the B&B, just get changed, and we're gonna go out to have a dinner. This is our last day here. Now we are going to Pompeii pretty much for the morning, and then straight back to Puglia, to Polignano. We are a bit sad because Naples and all the islands, they are incredible, they are amazing. Probably one of the best places where you can spend holidays in summer. It's time to go, and see you in Pompeii. Ciao! We are inside the amphitheater of Pompeii. That's something incredible. I can almost see the gladiator fighting here, and yeah, I'm gonna go and fight with Ania. Let's see what she says. Fight, Jimmy, fight. Fight. Super funny.
Ci closer.
È chiusa. I hope so. Che rumore!